Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to record video in 4K 60 FPS or 1080, that is Full HD 60 FPS, without having such option in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone. So right now I'm using a Samsung smartphone. So let me show you firstly by opening its default camera option. So here let me choose a video and let me show you the formats. So you can see here I have only 30 FPS in the stock camera, that is the Samsung camera, and as well as you can see Ultra HD, there's a 4K also 30 FPS, even the HD is also 30 FPS. So how I can get a 60 FPS while using a 4K or 1080? So for this, just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as ProShot. As you can see here, the application, the ProShot, just tap on it and just tap on install to install this application. Wait for a few seconds until the complete installation of this application is done. So once the installation is done, tap on open. On opening, it will ask you some permissions. Just click on allow. Now you can proceed by clicking on this right arrow. Now you can see the video tutorial also, user manual also if you wish. So I'll just click on done. Now you can see this kind of user interface. Right now you can see here this kind of user interface, right? So I'm not gonna discuss each and every function this camera application gonna offer you. So what I will do, you can see here below right side, I'll just tap on it and I'll just choose the video option. So here you can see here options, right? So high quality, yes, and so by default let us check in the 1080. So you can see here only available up to 30 FPS and only up to available in the 30 FPS. So you can see here one option, video hacks, just enable this. Voila, now you can see here 60 FPS option is available. You can select the 60 FPS even in 4K, even in 1080 60 FPS, even in 720p 60 FPS. So using this application you can get a 60 FPS. So let us try to record. So let me select on 1080 60 FPS. So I've selected, and now you can see here I'm recording in the 1080 in the 60 frame per second. Let me tap on this record. So let me try to record. So I'm recording right now, you can see the time. So let me stop it and let me try to play the video, whether I can play or not. So you can see it's playing. So you can see exactly it's playing the way it should be. So using this application named as ProShot, you can easily record video in 4K 60 FPS as well as 1080 in 60 frames per second without having this option in your Android smartphones. So if you never known about these applications which will let you record video in 4K 60 FPS or 1080 60 FPS, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.